Traders, and welcome to Monday, August 8th. I'm sure you've been watching the news all day. It is a crazy day. The market is selling off. Let me show you what I saw today. First of all, you had the low here from last week at this is just the S&P at 116.82 area. Now, we had a huge gap to that area this morning. And you know my philosophy of the hold, where you just say, hold, let's see if we get momentum through. It gapped down right to about that area, but look where your stop would have had to have been way up here. So that's way too big of a stop. I mean, that's just a huge stop. Your reward risk ratio would be terrible. But check this out. So then, after the first candle or so, first 5 minutes or so, it comes up, bounces off of the 100 moving average. This is on the 5-minute chart. And then starts to come back down, forms a top fractal. So what do you see now? Well, instead of having your stop way up here, you have it way down here. So that is actually 1/3 less. That's about, well, a little over 1/3 of what it could have been. So this is a nice tight stop. Then here it goes. It just hits, comes back up into the negative for a little bit. You know everything's still down here, no place to move your stop. Bounces down, comes here, about right here at this area. I had moved my stop down. Actually, I didn't move it down on this because I took it on that BGU again, but I'll show you that here in a little bit. But you could have moved your stop down. So now you take half the risk off the table. And then here we go with the free-for-all when Obama started talking. And here we go. Now, we do have a reversal candle here. As you can see, this candle right here at 225, the 225 candle, and that's actually a pretty good reversal candle. It's a little big for my taste. That's a big stop, and with this momentum, is it really going to turn at the end of the day? I don't know. I really don't think so, but that's not the reason that I'm not going to take this. It's not because I'm not taking this because it's too big of a candle, not because of how I think or that I think it won't work. But that is actually a beautiful reversal trade. But too big of a reversal candle. It's actually a beautiful reversal candle as well. But the stop is too big. Let me just point it out to you real quick. Let's see, the top of the candle is 113.26. So let's just say about 113.40. And then the bottom is 112.09. Let's add at least 10 to that. So the stop is too big for a reversal candle for me. I like it nice and tight. But let's check out the big picture real quick. Remember where our trade finished up right here at this this low. Actually, that was on the BGU, but it was still at the same area. And it just broke right through there, as we knew it did. And for those people that didn't get out, I'd say just to go ahead and stay in it and move your stop. If you had done that, look at all the rest you would have gained. See, that's the difference between telling the market that you're done and you're taking your money and moving your stop and letting the market figure out what it's doing. As you can see here, I mean, it's just a total sell-off. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Where can it go to? How far can this go down? So we need to go out to let's go out to the 5-year daily. Actually, I can zoom in a little further. Let's go to the 3-year daily. Okay. Look how far this thing can go. Now, this is 2008 right here. This is way down there. That is a long way to go. But check this out. We had just blown right past this. And now, just earlier today, we were right here at the halfway point. And now look where we're at. Here's the next area of resistance. Yes, I know it's called support, but you know me, I call everything resistance. This is the next area at this, 103.78 area. So this thing has a long way to go. So if you're thinking of buying now to get it at a discount, that's totally against the way we trade, the fusion trading method. But if you're even thinking that, don't even think that. Look how far it has to go down. Look at this area. So if you buy now and it keeps on going down, you're gonna be screwed. Now, even when it gets to here, you don't just say, okay, I'm gonna buy now. No, what you have to do is you have to wait for a setup to happen and then get a true buy signal. Then take it back long. But you never know. It could break through here again and keep plummeting down to the 2008 level. You never know. That's why you don't tell the market what to do. You just ride it. I've already called my parents and told them that if it even comes close to breaking past this, that they need to get out. Or they're going to have to hedge their whole entire portfolio through either futures or ETFs. So if it does go back up for that first part, if it does go back up, they won't make anything. However, if it does continue to go down, they won't lose. So right now it's all about defense, especially if it even looks like it's going to break through this level right here. Now listen, traders, we've had several people sign up to become full-time Fusion members. For those of you who have not signed up to become full-time Fusion members, this is not the time to play around. This is not the time to worry about spending $1,500 to protect your future. This is the time to join Fusion Trading. These times are harrowing times. These times are unpredictable times. These times are unnerving times. These times are very fragile times. And you cannot afford to waste another second without joining Fusion Trading. This is not the time to worry about saving $1,500. This is the time you need to spend $1,500 to protect your future. So please, don't waste another second. Give me a call if you want to. My phone number is 305-924-0682. Again, don't waste another second. Join Fusion Trading today before it's too late.